Our goal in real estate was always build wealth, build passive income, which we started out doing. You don't really make a lot of money off rental properties. It's more of a long-term wealth building play. So that's why we're starting to flip, but the business model had evolved into something that required the constant burn of cash through operations and marketing to get deals, which when we'd realize profits and then churn that. It was just this cycle. So it was around 2018 where we were kind of taking a step back. It's like, what are we really doing? We've created a really big job for ourselves, which is fine. You can make a lot of money doing that, just like a realtor doing commission, just like a wholesaler wholesaling houses, but it wasn't helping us reach our long-term goal. Over the next few years, we started winding down the flipping business and moving into more of a hold operation. And then as of last year, we're like, how can we scale that? And the greatest way to scale that was through starting a syndication and a fund to provide good returns for investors, but ultimately allow us to get into much bigger opportunities, better opportunities, and grow faster.